Step 1. Use a forklift, 5 tons or larger, or a crane to transport the equipment to the installation position. Ensure that the equipment is raised to a sufficient height for attaching the extended support legs. Step 2. Connect the extended support legs to the equipment's original support legs. Match the numbers accordingly. Step 3. Install the cross braces onto the extended support legs. Match the numbers accordingly. Step 4. Slowly lower the equipment to the ground using the forklift, ensuring the equipment is positioned accurately. Step 5. Use expansion bolts to secure the equipment to the ground. Step 6. Refer to the installation drawings. Position the pallet conveyor line and secure it to the ground. Step 7. Refer to the installation drawings. Position the empty pallet conveyor line and the pallet stacker and secure them to the ground. Step 8. Refer to the installation drawings. Use expansion bolts to secure the anti-collision posts to the ground. Step 9. Install the protective netting to complete the equipment installation.